Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. So let's make a start with you. Do you like weekends?
Yes, I like weekends, and whenever it's off day, I like Sundays, and I'm feeling more comfortable and enjoy whole day with me, doing some things like want take care of myself. So I like weekends.
All right. What do you usually do on weekend?
I usually do. I usually want to spend time with me. So I want to relax. I want to sleep, and I want to watch movies and something like that. So I'm doing in weekends.
Okay. Do you like weekdays or do you like weekend?
I like weekends, not weekdays,
Why not?
because I hate Mondays and working days. So I
Okay.
like weekends just to enjoy myself.
All right. Do you usually spend your weekends out at home or outside?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes I want to go outside for shopping, for watching a movie in cinema, and eating some meals at restaurants. And sometimes I want to stay with my family, enjoy with my family and friends. So sometimes I want. It depends on my mood.
Okay, that's good. One last question. How would you like to spend your weekends in the future?
I would like to spend my weekends in future. Like I want to work on my career. Like I want to do. I want to do some activities which makes my future better.
Okay, which will make my future
Better.
better. So I would love to do
I would
some
love to
part-time
some part
stuff
time
on
and
the
some.
weekend.
I want
Okay,
to
so
learn some
link it
skills.
with weekend.
Weekends.
Overall fine, you just need to organize your answers so they'll be fine. Now
Thank you.
let's go on. Uh, what type of clothes do you like?
Well, I would like to wear some colorful clothes that have some pattern on it, some printouts, and that are very loose in a fabric or very breathy one. So I like
All
very
right. Are clothes
light fabric.
expensive in your country?
Yes, in my country, the clothes are very expensive as they import the fabric. So the cost got increased while from unstitched to the ready to wear. So the cost will go high.
Okay, so therefore, I would say clothes are
Are where
not economical in my
in my
country.
country.
For expensive, you can use the word not economical, costly, or the clothes cost a fortune. Try to use a variety of words to get good Ben score. Now let's go on. How often do you buy clothes?
Well, I usually buy clothes when the seasons got changed. In summers, I whenever it comes to the summer, I buy the clothes according to the season. Or if I need to go on events or some occasionally, like we have Eid ul Fitr or Eid ul Adha, so we buy clothes on occasions or
Okay. All
some
right,
events.
that's good. So try to connect your ideas and use a variety of words. When you go to buy clothes, do you prefer to go alone or with your friends or family?
Well, whenever I go for a shopping, I usually do prefer to go with my family because I'm very confused about choosing the clothes. So I need sometimes suggestions about different things. So I prefer to go out with someone, either it's my friends or my family members.
Okay, so when will you go next to buy clothes?
So it depends whenever I go to some event or some
I
occasion.
got is wrong. I
I
mean, my
had
question is about future. So whenever there will be an event,
so
like there is going to be a wedding of my cousin, so something like that, okay? So when will you go to buy clothes next?
So whenever I will have some event like even I had to attend a birthday.
I will have
I will
to.
have to attend the birthday party, so I will go to buy a cloth
I
for
will
the
go to
event.
buy some clothes, or instead of clothes, you can use the word dress.
I,
I would like to buy a dress. Dress is a complete one. Okay, so grammar and understanding of tenses, and you should see which tense the question is in. Your answer should go in the same tense. Right? Thank you so much.